So what really is the power of using a large language model like ChatGPT for sales, specifically for technical sales? We're not talking about a chat that pops up in the bottom of a window in your favorite e-commerce shop. No, we're talking about technical sales, a salesman out in the field. And so what we've found is that if you've got a lot of technical data, imagine you're a polymer company with thousands of different types of polymers that operate at different temperatures and have different, tensile strengths. There's all these different variables that you need to know about. And as a salesman, that could potentially take you years to learn. And in fact, in some of these industries, what we found is that, to kind of be at 80% is about 2 years in. And you could be 6 months in and kind of know like 30% of the information. So how do we empower a technical salesman to have the knowledge that they need right out of the gate? Or not right out of the gate, but pretty quickly. That's really going to be through a solution that utilizes a large language model like OpenAI, ChatGPT. And essentially what we do at IntelliChat is we provide this service, and we provide it on a desktop, laptop, or mobile app, where a salesman can be out and all of your company's data has been ingested into the AI's brain, for lack of a better phrasing. But essentially we take all that securely. This is not something that gets out in the wild. Nobody else has access to it, just your team. And you are able to, you being the salesman out in the field, to ping that data, ask for a question, ask a question and get a response. You can ask about, to continue with the polymer example, I need a polymer that will withstand, a tensile strength of 50 PSI at negative 20, as a hose or something like that. I'm going to pretend like I know. Obviously I don't. But you would think, okay, well, here's 10 of them. Oh, great. Well, of these 10, which ones are can I get in blue, right? So all of a sudden, something that would take a seasoned veteran salesman years to learn, we can start having those conversations with your data essentially, and put that in the hands of a salesman really right out of the gate. Within a month or two, they can be asking questions, and they can also do comparative questions like, tell me what's the difference between these two products. So imagine that salesman now who used to have maybe a stack of material data sheets that would be in their car. They're talking to a potential client. The client has a really technical question, and they can go to the AI, which is essentially your own company's AI, and get a really technical answer. So there's a huge increase in productivity, obviously a huge increase in sales, and this is especially effective for your new salesmen, and also keeping them engaged, helping them hit their bonus structures sooner, and helping with retention. So there's a lot of wins here if you can figure it out. It's something that we have. So if there's any questions or if there's anything you want to know about it, we'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks.